The Stinson L1 Vigilant, company designation Model 74, was a 1940s American light observation aircraft built by the Stinson Aircraft Company at Wayne, Michigan, by November 1940, a division of Vultee Aircraft Corporation. The aircraft was operated by the United States Army Air Corps as the O-49 until 1942. Design and development. The Vigilant was designed in response to a 1938 United States Army Air Corps design competition for a two-seat light observation aircraft. When the German-manufactured Fieseler Storch was demonstrated at the Cleveland Air Races, the Air Corps revised its specifications in an attempt to match the performance of the Storch. Stinson, later a division of Vultee, won the $1.5 million contract over 11 competitors, including the Bellanca Yo-50 and Ryan Yo-51 Dragonfly. The Model 74 was a single radial-engined high-wing monoplane with trailing-edge high-lift devices for low speed and high-lift performance. The prototype aircraft was built full-span leading-edge automatic slots manufactured by Handley Page, and slotted flaps. The Model V-74 was given the Army designation Yo-49 for evaluation, with the first flight by test pilot Al Scram on July 15, 1940. The aircraft was built of steel tubing and fabric, with the fuselage forward of the wing enclosed in sheet metal. Control surfaces and the empennage were fabric-covered stainless steel. The Lycoming power plant was hand-cranked inertia starting, and was fitted with a Hamilton standard constant-speed propeller. At least 12 ambulance conversions were fitted with Edo 49 to 4000 pontoons, 4,000 pound displacement, for amphibious landings and takeoffs. The Vigilant was capable of stopping in less than its own length, and could maintain stable flight at 31 miles per hour. Anecdotally, the Vigilant was said to be capable of backwards flight in a strong headwind. Operational history. The Stinson Vigilant was used in diverse roles such as towing training gliders, artillery spotting, liaison, emergency rescue, transporting supplies and special espionage flights. Another contract was later awarded for the O-49A, which had a slightly longer fuselage and other equipment changes. In April 1942 the aircraft were redesignated the L1 and L1A, liaison. Up to 17 L1 and 96 L1A aircraft were allocated to the British Royal Air Force under the Lend-Lease Act, with varying numbers given for aircraft actually delivered, see variants, below. The RAF designated the aircraft the Vigilant Mki and Vigilant Mk2 respectively. General Harry Crerar, commander of the 1st Canadian Army in Europe during World War II, maintained a Vigilant for his personal use. Aircraft were modified for a variety of roles, including as an ambulance aircraft. No further production orders were placed as the aircraft was superseded by procurement of vast numbers of the L-5 Sentinel and L-4 Grasshopper puddle jumper aircraft. A Vigilant was modified in 1943-1944 for experiments in boundary layer control. Variants. Stinson Model 74. Company designation O-49 Vigilant. U.S. Army designation for first production batch, 142 built. L1 Vigilant. 1942 redesignation of O-49. O-49 A Vigilant. Fuselage lengthened 13 in, 33 cm, 182 built. O-49B Vigilant. Conversion to ambulance variant, 3 or 4 converted. L1 A Vigilant. 1942 redesignation of O-49A. L1B Vigilant. 1942 redesignation of O-49B. L1C Vigilant. L1A ambulance variant, 113 converted. L1D Vigilant. L1A training glider tug, 14 to 21 converted. L1E Vigilant. L1 amphibious ambulance variant, 7 converted. L1F Vigilant. L1A amphibious ambulance variant, 5 conversions. Vigilant Mki. RAF designation of L1, 14 to 17 allocated by Lend-Lease. Vigilant Mk2. RAF designation of L1A, 96 allocated, circa 13 to 54 delivered. CQ2 Vigilant. U.S. Navy conversion of L-1A to target control aircraft, one or more converted. Operators. United Kingdom. Royal Air Force. United States. United States Army Air Corps. Surviving aircraft. 5 examples of the Stinson L-1 Vigilant currently survive in museums in the United States. 40 to 283 L-1 under restoration by G&P M Turner in London. 40 to 3102 L-1E on display at the Fantasy of Flight in Polk City, Florida. This aircraft flew for the first time after restoration on July 18, 2013. 40 to 3141 L-1 on display at the United States Army Aviation Museum at Fort Rucker, Alabama. 41 to 18915 L-1F on display at the Alaska Aviation Heritage Museum in Anchorage, Alaska. 41 to 19031 L-1 owned by James P. Harker of Blaine, Minnesota. One of several airframes purchased by the Fantasy of Flight for their restoration of 40 to 3102 and sold afterwards to C&P Aviation Blaine, MN. 40 to 291 or 41 to 19039 L-1A on display at the National Museum of the United States Air Force in Dayton, Ohio. Specifications, L-1A. General characteristics. Crew, 3. Length, 34 feet 3 in, 10.44 m. Wingspan, 50 feet 11 in, 15.52 m. Height, 10 feet 2 in, 3.10 m. Wing area, 329 feet superscript 2, 30.6 square meters. Empty weight, 2,670 pounds, 1,211 kilograms. Max takeoff weight, 3,400 pounds, 1,542 kilograms. Power plant, 1 times Lycoming R680-9 radial piston engine, 295 HP, 220 kilowatts. Performance. Maximum speed, 106 knots, 122 miles per hour, 196 kilometers per hour. Range, 243 nm, 280 miles, 451 kilometers. Service ceiling, 12,800 feet, 3,900 m. Rate of climb, 408 feet/min, 124.36 m/min. Wing loading, 10.3 lb/foot superscript 2, 50.4 kg/m superscript 2. Power/mass, 0.0867 HP/lb, 0.143 kW/kg. Roll light observation, liaison. Manufacturer Stinson Aircraft Corporation. Designer A.P. Fontaine. First flight July 15, 1940. Introduction 1941. Primary users United States Army Air Corps. Royal Air Force. Number built 324.
Please subscribe and thanks for watching.